Amakhulu ezisebenzi ezingaphansi kwenyunyana iNUMSA kanye neSA Cabin Crew Association abebhikisha ngaphandle kwekomkhulu leSAA eGoli. Lezi sebenzi bezifuna ukuthi uhulumeni akhiphe imali yokutakula inkampani yezindiza iSAA.
We are saying we want a new fit for purpose board and we want a new fit for purpose management. Yeah. We will not relent until the board and management are gone. Yeah. And we are talking about every single one of them. They have looted, they have stolen, they're full of corruption. We came to work every day. They tell us to fly, we go, we fly. As they made those decisions, we did not put ourselves here.
iNUMSA ithi uhulumeni unesibophezelo sokuthi avikele imisebenzi yabantu. Ithi kumanje izisebenzi zidonsa kanzima ngenxa yenkohlakalo edla lubi khulumeni.
At the end of the day, the only people who you see suffering as SAA collapses, as SA Express collapses, as Denel collapses, as Eskom collapses, workers and their families. Workers and their families are paying the price for the looting of the ANC government. Workers and their families are paying the ultimate price for the stealing of the ANC government. Don't let them fool you.
Zizinkulungwane ezintathu izisebenzi zase-SAA obengenzeka zilahlekelwe umsebenzi uma le nkampani ibizohlakazwa.